If you're gonna make a run, boy, better make it fast.
Hi everyone, hope you're all doing well. Just a quick video to give you an update on the Scott's car camera and car stickers. For those of you who missed the last video, who weren't aware of it, I've started doing some free sticker giveaways for those who would like some stickers on their cars. The first prototype batch I did of 50 went pretty much instantaneously, so I've had a new order made. These ones are slightly bigger than the originals. I found the originals were a bit too thin, so the new batch is a bit thicker. They're 15 by 8 centimeters. So for those of you that didn't hear about this last time, you'll see a picture of the sticker on the screen. These are what they are. They seem to be pretty good quality from the first prototype run I had done. All the feedback I've got from people said they're all pretty good, so we'll stick with the same manufacturer. So last time when I did the giveaway, I sort of gave away all 50 at once, and that was quite a logistical pain, and in hindsight wasn't a great idea. So what I'm going to do to make life a bit easier and to give everyone a chance to know about the stickers and to have a chance to get one if you want one, is I'm going to do it in smaller batches of 10. Basically maybe every couple of weeks I will put a notification up just to tell you that basically first 10 people to send me an email will get it. So don't email from this video, I'm not starting it yet, this is just to let you know. It's going to put a notification up and just let everyone know, okay. And what I'll probably do with my original set, I did a giveaway to the US, I did a few for there, I did a giveaway for New Zealand, and then the rest was just a random states of Australia. So everyone gets a bit of a chance. I'm probably going to either do it state by state for Australia for this next batch, and just give everyone a chance to get one. So yeah, going forward, this will probably be the last video I make about them, just explain how I'm going to do it, and then just going forward, every few weeks I'll just put a notification out, a community post, just to say, alright, 10 stickers available, first 10 to email me get the sticker, and when they run out I will get a new batch ordered when I get a chance, and I'll just repeat the process as we go. So thank you for everyone who has asked for a sticker and wanted to put one on their car, and those who want them in the future. And when you see a notification for your come up on there for a sticker, hopefully you'll get a chance to win one. Thanks.